Good day students. Today we are continuing with the coordination compounds, a unit of 12th class, exam time. Question number 1 of today is define isomerism. Discuss its types. Now what is isomerism? Isomerism, it is the phenomenon by which a compound can exist in two or more structures which have the same molecular formula, but they may have the different spatial or structural arrangement of the atoms or group of atoms in the molecule. It is basically of two types. First is structural, second is spatial. Structural isomerism, it is further of two following types. Number 1, it is linkage isomerism, hydrate isomerism, coordination isomerism. Ionization isomerism. Spatial isomerism, it is further of two types, symmetrical, optical. It is another type, facial and meridional isomer. So first of all, this time we will be considering the linkage isomerism. The isomerism where the compound they contain the ambidentate ligand, and the ambidentate ligand they differ in the nature of the donor atom attached to the central metal atom. For example, we have the linkage isomerism, ferric sulfocyanide, where iron is joined to sulfocyanide through sulfur. This is one complex, and its isomer is where iron is joined to isothiocyanate group through nitrogen. So these are called as linkage isomers. Then we have hydrate isomerism. It is a type of isomerism where the molecules they differ in the number of water molecules present in the coordination sphere. For example, we have this complex. It is having 6 water molecules inside the coordination sphere. In another isomer, it is having 5 water molecules inside. 1 chlorine is coming in, and then we have 1 water going out of the coordination sphere. So such isomers which differ in the number of water molecules present in the coordination sphere, they are called as hydrate isomers. Then we have the next coordination isomerism. It is shown by those isomers which have cationic as well as anionic complexes in the same organic coordination compound, and this isomerism arises due to shifting of the ligand from cationic part to anionic part and anionic part to cationic part, or we can say the isomers arise due to exchange of the ligand between cationic part to anionic part to cationic part. This isomerism is called as coordination positional isomerism, CrNH3 6. This is cationic part of the complex. Then we have CrCN6. This is anionic part. Now its isomer is ammonia goes with chromium and here cobalt. Ammonia goes with cobalt, cyanide comes with chromium here. Now it is having 3 negative charge, cobalt will be having 3 positive charge. So these are the isomers which are called as coordination isomers. Then we have the ionization isomerism. The isomers differ in the nature of ionizable group. For example, we have CrNH3, 4SO4 and Cl2 in another complex, sulfate goes out, chlorine comes in. So these are the isomers where ionizable group in first isomer is chloride ion, in the second isomer it is sulfate ion. So whenever they are dissolved in water, this will give the test for chloride ions and this isomer will give test for sulfate ion. Then we have facial and meridional isomerism. This isomerism is shown by those compounds which have coordination number of 4. In this type of complexes, their structure is Ma3B3 type. 3 ligands they are of the same type. If the similar ligand they are present on adjacent position of a face, such isomer are called as facial isomers. For example, we have this isomer. Similar isomers, the similar ligand they are present on adjacent position. This is called as facial isomer. And if they are present on the two of the ligand, they are present on the meridional positions, then such isomers they are called as meridional isomers. So this is meridional. This is called as facial isomer. Then we have geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism is shown by the tetrahedral as well as octahedral complexes. It is not shown by the square planar complexes. Now, the similar ligands, if they are present on same side, then this isomerism is called as cis isomer. It is also shown by square planar complexes. This complex is cisplatin. It is used in the treatment of cancer. This is called as transplatin. The similar ligand they are present on the trans to each other in cross position. This is transplatin. Then we have optical isomerism. Optical isomerism is shown by those complexes where the compound they differ in their action on plane polarized light. One of the isomer rotates plane polarized light in a clockwise direction while other isomer rotates the plane polarized light in anti-clockwise direction. For example, we have the complex CO En En En. This is tripositive complex. Then mirror image of this is taken. This is your plus isomer. This is minus isomer. So this is a complex having the bridging ligands. One of the isomer rotates light in a clockwise direction, which is called as plus isomer or dextrorotatory isomer, while the other isomer rotates plane polarized light in anti-clockwise direction, that is called as levo isomer. Similarly, we have another isomer of this type, cobalt complex 2Cl. This is your dextrorotatory complex. Now mirror image of it is taken. This is minus isomer. So this is plus isomer where light is rotated by the bridging ligand towards the non-bridging ligands. In this case, light is rotated from bridging ligand to non-bridging ligand. So this is plus isomer, light is rotated in a clockwise direction. This is minus isomer where light has been rotated in an anti-clockwise direction. So this is regarding isomerism. Isomerism, briefly mentioning again, isomerism is the phenomenon where the compound they possess same molecular formula but they differ, they possess different structural or spatial formula. It is of many types. It is structural isomerism, it is 5 types: linkage, hydrate, coordination isomerism, ionization, facial and meridional isomerism. Then we have spatial or stereo isomerism. It is basically of 2 types: geometrical and optical. Geometrical isomer, they differ in their configuration. If adjacent positions are occupied by the similar ligand, they are called as cis isomer. If they are alternate positions are occupied by similar ligands, then they are called as trans isomers. Then we have the optical isomerism. The isomer differ in their action on plane polarized light. One of the isomer rotates light, plane polarized light, in a clockwise direction, called as dextro-rotatory or plus isomer, while other isomer rotates the plane polarized light in anti-clockwise direction, that is called as levorotatory isomer. In next unit, we'll be considering the bonding in the coordination complexes. Thank you very much.